Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking on a flat surface with the ignition off and the key removed. For halogen H7 bulbs, you don't always need to disconnect the negative battery. But if you will touch any xenon or LED modules, disconnect the negative terminal first. Put on nitrile gloves and clear a clean cloth nearby. Never touch the bulb glass with bare fingers because oils create hot spots and shorten life. Gather one H7 bulb per side, a small flat screwdriver, and plan about 10 minutes per side for this job. Open the bonnet and locate the headlamp rear access cover. On an Audi A3 8V turn, the plastic cover clips counterclockwise and lift the cover away to reveal the socket. Grasp the wiring connector and gently pull it off the bulb. It's a 12V connection, so avoid yanking the cable. Release the metal spring clip by pushing it down and unhooking it. Then withdraw the H7 bulb straight back from the housing without twisting. Inspect the socket for corrosion and match the new bulb's orientation before proceeding. Handle the new H7 bulb with a cloth or gloved hand and insert it straight into the headlamp socket, ensuring the alignment tabs seat properly. Secure the metal spring clip back into place and reconnect the 12V wiring connector. Before replacing the plastic cover, start the car and test both low and high beams to confirm operation. Check that the bulb sits fully and does not wobble. Park 5 meters from a wall to inspect the beam cutoff. Use the small adjuster screw to align the beam to manufacturer height if needed. Then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.